dear student. Welcome to the Arabia class. The topic is التنوين التنوين. So we have been mentioning this term in our previous classes. So simply when we say tanween, it is identified by harakatani. So these are the indicators of a tanween. So whenever you have a double fatha, which we call fathatani, a double kasra we call kasratani, or a double doma we call dumatani. So whenever you have them, then we have a tanween. So we call them tanween. So what tanween is all about is when when we end a sound, whether an a sound or a sound or u sound, when we end it with a nun or sukun, despite that the nun or sukun is not written, then we say we have done a tanween. So they say a tanween is a nun sakin تلحق آخر الاسم أننا ساكن تلحق آخر الاسم لفظا لا حتى. What are they saying? That a tanween is a nun sakina, is a nun with sukun, then that is found ending a name and pronunciation of the name, not in the spelling. So, like I mentioned before, a tanween can only be found in the last letter of a kalima of a word. So you can never find it in the beginning or the middle of a word. So it must be the last kalima, the last harfun, the last letter of a word that will take a fatatan plus mutan or jumatan. As such a word that carries a tanween, that carries any of these, must be a name. In Arabic, we classify words into three parts. Just like you have in English, a word can either be a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and so on. We have 8 parts of speech. But in the case of Arabic, they are just 3. So an Arabic kalima, an Arabic word is either an ism, is either a name, a verb, or what we call a particle, like preposition and others. They are classified under particles. So if it is not a name and it is not a verb, then it comes under a particle. So words that are names are the ones where you will find fatatan, kasratan, or dumatan ending. So that is one of the signs of one of the indication that a kalima is representing a name. Is a name. It's what we call ism. So that is tanween. So the sign of a tanween is simple. It's for you to have either fatatan or kasratan or dumatan on the last letter of a name. Like if you have something like this, kitabun. So in the pronunciation of this word, you're going to pronounce it as if it is. This is how it is written. This is what is written. You understand? So it is pronounced kitabun. So this is what we write: kaf, tau, alif, mada, bow. But in the pronunciation, it will be pronounced like this. So it will be pronounced as if we have no sakina ending it. So it will be pronounced kitabun. So this is quite different from if you have something like this. So this is just kitabu, kitabu, but this is kitabun. So you're going to pronounce this as if you have a name sakina. So definitely, it must be pronounced with none. If it is a doma, it becomes un. If it is a kasratani, it becomes in. If it is domatan, it becomes un. Kasratani becomes an. Just like if you have, this is the same kitaban, kitaban. So this will be pronounced like kitaban. So the tanween is another second actually added, but in the pronunciation, not in the writing. So this alpha that we have here is just to it's added here because we have a fatatan ending the word. So in most of the cases, when a letter ends with fatatan, then an alpha is added to it. So originally, this Aleph Mada is not part of the letters of the word, as you can see here. You understand? So if it comes like kitabin, kitabin, so it will be pronounced like this, kitabin. So a tenwin is a non-sakina in the end of a word, pronounced but not written. So this is what is written with kasratan, but this is what is pronounced kitabin, as like we have a non-sakina. This is what is written kitaban, and this is what is pronounced kitaban. So just similarly what we have here kitabun, but pronounced as if it is written with non-sakina. So a tenwin is a non-sakina attached to the end of a name, lafzan in pronunciation, la not when it is written. So you take note of that. So whenever you have patatan, you give it an, so it adds non sakina to the a sound, so it becomes an. Then kasratan, you add non sakina to the e sound, making it in. Then the matan, you add non sakina to the o, making it un. So take note of this, and there are signs that a kalema, a word, is a name. So it's like so you have Muhammadun, Muhammadin, Muhammadan. So Domatan, Kasratan, Fathatan. So a word, a kalima, a word that ends with tanwin, whether Domatan, Kasratan, or Domatan, is referred to as a munawwan, a munawwana. So you say the word is what? Munawwana. Munawwanatun. So it's a kalima, a word that has a tanwin. It's called munawwana. It's taken from the word tanwin. Nawwana yunawwin tanwinan munawwin munawwan. So the word is called munawwanatun. So that if you have two words like this, like kolamun, kolamun, which means a pen, then we have al kolamu, which means the pen. So this is munawwana, this is kero munawwana, this is not munawwana. So this carries tanwin, and this does not carry. So what does it imply? Many a times, what does it imply to have a word, a kalima? Like we mentioned that a kalima with tanwin is a name, must be a name. It can never be anything other than name. So a tanwin ending a word usually indicates that that word is singular. That word is what? In most cases, is singular when you're referring to a singular thing. But that is not to say it is always so. You know why I say so? Because when you say waladun, waladun, okay, let's put it this way. When something is indefinite, to make a word indefinite, sorry, not really singular, to make a word indefinite, then you add a tanwin. Like when we say waladun, walad or kolamu, for instance, kolamu, a pen, or just pen. But when you say ala kolamu, it becomes the pen, it becomes definite. You understand? So while having a tanwin does not signify just something singular, but it signifies indefinite, is because a word like this, for instance, a word like this, rijalun, rijalun. So this word means, in meaning, it means men. You understand? It's a plural word, despite ending in tanwin. But men, the men are indefinite. It could be any number of men, any group of men. But when we say arrijalu, arrijalu, so it makes it definite. It's arrijalu, it makes it definite. The men, sometimes you are referring to a specific, men, a group of people we call men. So arrijalu. So whenever you have al, it makes a name definite, which means the. So, but without it, then we usually end the word with tanwin. And you can also observe that whenever we have al starting a word, then such a word, even though it's a name, can never end in tanwin again. It can't end fatatan, kesotun, or dumatan. So that is to say that tanwin does not combine with al So this al, we call it al-marifa or al-atarif. We use it to make things definite. You understand? So, and whenever it is attached, it is usually attached to the beginning of your name, which means one of the signs that a kalima is a name is to have al introducing it or to have a tanween ending it. I think this is where we are stopping. So thank you. You can find examples from any Arabic text you have, Quran or any other Arabic text.